Hey guys, welcome back to another plan with me. So we are gonna go ahead and plan out this week, the 13th through the 19th. This week is a very busy week. Friday is at Laken's field trip. We're going to the zoo. So I have to spend all of this week getting prepared, doing some errands, and my mom's gonna come and watch the other kids since Collie works overnights and he'll be sleeping. So I have to get our lunch made for the field trip and just a whole bunch of stuff. So it's a busy week, and of course getting my house cleaned and all of that good stuff, preparing for Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these all out. I love this dashboard, by the way. This was a glimpse of last week. If you guys didn't watch last week's plan with me, I used the new Wrong release stickers. So this was kind of like a little after the pen spread of kind of what I did to function it. Because for the most part, I usually don't really show me filling it out. I've mentioned this before. I function better when I write out per day instead of like writing out in advance, if you get what I'm saying. So normally when I do these spreads or do any type of plan with me, I don't really write in my planner right away. I usually do it each day that I wake up. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pages out of the planner. So the inspiration I'm getting for this week's spread, I'm going to be using these tiny sticker pads. I love these, you guys. I'm going off of the new Boss Babe from the Wrong. Love this sticker pad. And then I have the Bold and Bright and some of the Boss Babe Make Things Happen one. So the color scheme I'm gonna go with for this week is going to be black, pink, and gold. So those are what I plan to do. So I'm gonna just use these and to be like my guide, and then I'll do my layout and like my boxes and all of that, like my to-dos and that once I place down my main base stickers. So I have this washi and then some pink washi. I don't know if I'm gonna use the pink for sure. I'm gonna use the black to cover up this green. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my washi and then start to place down some of these sticker pads. I always start in this corner to cover this, and then I most likely will use some of my whiteout to go ahead and get rid of these flowers. Okay, so I have my black washi laid down. I really love the scallop. I love how that looks. Now I don't like how I have the green in there, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna mess with that. Sometimes I'll get a little creative and I'll color over that if it bothers me that much, but I'm not worried about it. The pink pops out, and pink is one of my color schemes, so I'm not worried about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a box to go down here. Now, I really love this one, and it has the golds. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. At first, I don't know, because with these flowers, I'm thinking about maybe getting a girl or something to kind of go over that. Let's see, I don't think there's any other one in here I really liked. I'm for sure going to be using these two. I think there was one in this Bold and Bright one that I really liked. It's back here. This is the worst part. Trying to decide what I want to use. There was another one that was, I really like that one. Happy Life, Sweet Life. I thought there was one more. But trying to decide like what box I want to use. I don't think it was that one. The struggle, y'all, the struggle. And I'm not one of those that like sits there. I mean, I'll pick out like maybe books, but even after I get it picked out, I still struggle with trying to decide which one I like the best. I'm gonna just go with the gold. So I'll just place that over there to cover up that. And I'm like one of those that's like OCD and it has to have the sticker perfect. I don't like crooked stuff. So before I lay that, I'm gonna ahead and cover some of this. So now that I got that covered, I'm gonna go into the other wrong. I think this is like the accessory pad, and choose me a girl to kind of go over here. I saw one that I was loving. Ooh, she's fancy. Let's see. Ooh, but then she gets the pink. I'm loving that hairstyle. But I kind of want one that's gonna match my theme. Holy chic. I'm feeling this one, yes. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Just because it gets the pops of pink and it's like my life for this week. Busy on the go, coffee in hand. That's gonna be me this whole week. Let's see, go ahead. The only thing I hate about whiteout, when you put it down, you kind of have to be careful with how you lay your stickers, because once it's there, it's no going back, because it's gonna rip up all of the whiteout if you're not careful. So I like that. So I got that corner fixed. I'll move on to that corner in a second. And I'm gonna start to lay down some of those cute boxes. I'm gonna go into, look, see them destined. I really love these two. Wonder if I have, that's so cute. Just the girl with some goals. So for sure, I'll lay this one down. Where do I want to start to? And I'm so random, you guys, when I like lay down the first box, it's like after that, that first box is kind of like my start point, and then I just work around it. And then I just go with the flow. That's cute. I should have did that one. Fierce, focus, and fabulous. I was gonna do maybe a colorful box there, but I kind of want to like double stack a quote. I really like this one. So I got that one down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play around with the rest of these. Oh, there's like all this random stuff on here. Go away. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play around with the rest of these and lay them out, and then do my to-do boxes. So I covered this corner over here. I did some whiteout, and then I just laid down that sticker. Then I laid down some of these stars. Since they had the black and the gold, it was from the Simply Lovely book. And then I just covered my calendar up here. Now I'm gonna go in and start to add in some of my boxes. I'm gonna just use this because it actually has a lot of the pinks, and I need some more pink, and then I'll mix in some gold. is the finished spreads, you guys. Super functional. I always make sure I have room to write in any daily tasks, and I love the way that it all came together. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration to go ahead and create your layout for this week and also have a pretty but yet functional planner. If you guys are joining along for the first time, hit that subscribe button, join my family here. I do planning videos once a week, so if you're loving the planner inspiration, definitely subscribe for more. I want to thank all of you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.